Hello and welcome to another Multi-Makes 3D modeling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Okay, so let's put the images back on. Need to add this little lip in also before we start, sorry. Just when you thought it was about to create the whole front end for real. Two edges in there. Loop cut or Control R. Right, so Alt and Z for X-ray mode. Just drag around them. Do a scale on the Y. Just slide that along there. Same for the bottom. Scale on the Y. Alt left click for the whole bottom line there. And then just do a extrude E Z. Shift to slow it down. Let's pull that down there a little bit. There we go. Right, that should be our guide finally. Yeah, actually, let's have a look at the top. Oh, there we go. Right, so if highlight all of them, last of all, left click, shift left click the point in the center. Now if we do a scale, S, then Y, finger on shift and just slowly move it. Okay, scale, Y, without your finger on shift because it just auto slow. There we go. And just bring these down also. Follow the line. These blueprints, remember, might look right on one, might not look right on the other. So we're about to find out. So this one, three, oh, both of them. Good point. As you are selecting these from above, make sure you drag a box round. For example, we could just simply left click that one. See how it's left the other one behind there. You want that do now. 7. So pull that one out. What we'll do is we'll do a GG on this one. Slide that across. Doing this one, just space these out. Go. Tightens that corner up a little bit also. These have 3. Well, that could go up a little bit. Right, we will get there eventually. Honest. Right, let's see. Is this line 2 apparent now? Quick spy at the references. Where to find it? There it is. Definitely is on the bottom of joins to the splitter. This, I'm going to say possibly. Maybe it's down there, it's not. So we could maybe space that out a little bit there. Which might be a bit difficult, but I shall try. Alley there, do a GG, slide to the right. Do them, same again, GG, slide to the left. Keep the spacing nice. It's eased it a little bit, doesn't look too bad. And just highlight that edge there because we could just drag a box around them. Crease on them. There we go. Right, I really hope so. I answered my own question. It wasn't even a question, it was just a statement, but I really hope that is at the point where we can now move on to the front end. That looks a little bit out of place, so we'll just do a GG on that. Try to get them lined up. These look a bit out as well. Oh, here we go. Pull them up a little bit. Pull that curve a little nicer. A floating point there is to complete the quad. I know there's a triangle here, but actually, could we GG that one? Right, this is where the problem's going to come in, you see. See how this line is just above that. I don't know what that's actually called. It's not exactly it doesn't separate it, does it? Because it's joined in the middle there. What we might need to do though is, if we follow this one, so we'll highlight them, left click, and then left click on the last one again. We'll do a rotate X. Spin around that point, you see how it rotates. And just do a little scale on the Y to pull it out a little bit. Do the same with this one. And rotate X. Oops, just control there by accident. And I'll try this one as well. Rotate X. Get there now. Oh, that's because we pulled that around. Problem. Yeah. 2 seconds. We'll have a quick check at that again. This is where we want to start needing extra images. Okay, that'll do, I suppose. Do GG on that. Shift it slightly to the side and that. Okay. What colour should we do this in? I know it's red there. I know I'm jumping ahead here. Plus this is the guide, but so we get some sort of idea. We'll click on a new. We'll call this body paint. The only reason I'm not wanting to make it red is because it hurts my eyes. Roughness, pick that up. Leave there a 0.5 second. And where's clear coat? There it is. There's a 0.5 down there. Two on that one. Oof. Highlights edges a bit better. Right. Okay, so we'll do Control S there. Tell you what, I'll just put this as the final guide. No doubt, I'll find something else to add. I hope not. I really want to get to creating the front end here. But anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.